Hey everybody, it's Uncle Bill here. Well, my mom's birthday is here today and she wants cake. She always loves chocolate cake, and I was a little worried because she's been on this diet lately and she's been losing a lot of weight, and I would hate to make her go backwards, but I also know she would not be happy if there is not a chocolate cake there. So I found this unbelievable thing. It is grain-free chocolate cake made with, you guessed it, almond flour. That's right. It's gluten-free, it's paleo, it's all the good stuff that she loves. It's not going to make her gain any weight. We're going to do a single layer chocolate cake today, and I'm going to show you how to make my homemade frosting. It takes 1 minute and it tastes delicious. So let's get to it right now. Hello and welcome to Uncle Bill's Kitchen. Hey everybody, I hope you enjoyed today's episode. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so that you don't miss episodes as they come out. I want to say thank you to each and every one of you who have been sharing our episodes on your social media platforms. It's really been helping a lot and sending a lot of traffic our way, and I'm doing what it is that I want to do best, which is help people learn how to cook simple, easy, and delicious food. If you'd like to be a bigger part of Uncle Bill's Kitchen, consider becoming a Patreon member. It helps our channel out a lot, gives me funds so that I can buy better produce and give you better recipes on this channel. If that's too much, consider becoming a coffee member. Just buy me a little cup of coffee. Links in the description below.